In this video, I'm going to show you how to extend a beat in Pro Tools. Now to do this, there's a lot of different ways. I'm going to show you one which I do think is the easiest. So over here on your audio track, or of course the track where you have your beat, you want to first go to the bottom left here and you want to click on this empty space and you want to change it from none to where it says Elastic Audio Plugin, and you want to change this to rhythmic. So click on that, there we go. And then from here you want to click on this small blue clock icon and change it over to ticks. Of course, this is optional. I just like doing this because I do think you get better results. Now, when you've done that, click on the grid button up top. So if it's anything else for you, like spot, for example, click on the grid. You'll see why in a second. And then over here, you want to select this tool, which is going to be, of course, our trim tool. So if you right click on it, you can see there's a bunch of different options. First, we're going to click on TCE, and when we click on it, you have to hover over the kind of right border of your current beat, and you can just click and drag, and there we go. It's going to basically extend your beat. Now, if you didn't have grid selected, it wouldn't allow you. It would just basically, whenever you click here, open this enter new length up, which is quite inconvenient. So make sure grid is selected. Now, if that's not what you meant, and you actually wanted to extend a continuous beat, so for example, you had like a beat which repeats itself and you want to extend it, the easiest way would be to right click up here and then simply click on loop instead, and you can then just click and drag like this, and as you can see, I can go as far out as I want and it's going to just extend and loop my beat. Okay, so those are the best ways to do this, or the quickest. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.